Every city in the country, every city in the world probably has a pizza place usually pretty good, it's usually pretty cheap, but there's something about making your own at home that just really drives the point home. These are the items needed in our recipe. These are the tools and equipments, these are the ingredients, and these are the cleaning materials. For the tools and equipments, we need mixing bowls where we will mix our dry and liquid ingredients. These are the containers for our toppings of the pizza. These are the measuring tools. This is the flour sifter. And this is the rolling pin for flattening the dough. For this recipe, we will be needing the all-purpose flour, the canned mushrooms, the evaporated milk, the canned corn, the tomato sauce, the pineapple bits, the salt, and lastly, the yeast. And for the cleaning materials, we have prepared 2 clean towels. To start off, let us mix our dry ingredients. Combine 3 cups of flour with 1 teaspoon of salt and stir well. Next, we will combine the liquid ingredients. Combine 1 cup of lukewarm milk with 1 tablespoon of dried yeast. Next, we will let the liquid ingredients sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, we will mix the liquid and dry ingredients together. After doing so, we will add an egg. Once we have this texture, put a small portion of shortening on the table and spread it. Then, put the dough ball on the surface and knead it. After kneading the dough, it is optional to split it in half. Then, place the dough ball in a bowl and cover it with cling wrap. After putting the dough in the bowl, leave it to rise for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, prepare a baking pan, brush it with oil, and then place the dough ball on the pan. Then, flatten the dough ball using a rolling pin. To start off with this procedure, poke small holes on the dough using a fork and brush the top with cooking oil. After brushing it with oil, pour a good amount of tomato sauce and spread it evenly on the flattened dough. After this, add cheese and your chosen toppings. For this recipe, I used hot dogs, ham, corn, and mushroom.